Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know, you know. We are going to fire corner in a Brampton. Yeah, man, Brampton Chilani, fire corner, KASHA plantation. Alright? So, watch what I go on. Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Yeah, man, welcome my viewers and subscribers. Trust me. Yeah, man, I'm at one little farm right now. With a little brethren, yeah. But you see through them man are there in Jamaica, you know, the man is an overseas man, so they don't have the time for the farm. So I say, but trust me people, I go show the item what I go on this little farm. But to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to see the next video coming out, alright? Else you're not gonna see the next video. Alright, so my people, welcome. This is the man them called KASHA. KASHA blaze them, alright? Make a show know what they want, my people. This is the man called
KASHA.
KASHA blaze.
To the fullest, you have a gift tax, you know?
Site, yeah man, so you don't know what people. I'm up on KASHA farm right now, but as I tell you, he's a man who live overseas, you know, really have the time, but you know, yeah. The farm not too bad because we have corn. Site, we have corn. See it? Yeah man, we have corn. How long since you plant them corn, KASHA?
You know, say about 3 to 4 months, you know.
Then corn a 3-month crop.
Yes man.
Yeah,
yes,
so.
Man. But through the drought, they have a drought the other day, so I make them go and stay longer.
No, extra.
They never dare get the water. Yes man.
Yeah,
yes,
so.
Man. But through the drought, they have a drought the other day, so I make them go and stay longer.
No, extra.
They never dare get the water.
Yo, KASHA, you're serious? Oh, so, yeah, we understand. So you have some sweet potato down here.
Yeah, man.
But KASHA, you're the one man, you're going with things, man.
Yes, man.
Yes, KASHA, yes, my people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, a 3-month crop again, you know?
Yeah.
3-month crop again, so
No,
you know,
I think a 6-month crop, you know.
You sure?
Yeah, man. Sweet potato, 6 months, man.
You sure? Alright, KASHA, you know it, you know? You're the farmer, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so, I don't know. So, how long this plant?
Them a plant in a middle of May.
Middle of May, okay.
Yeah, so. Right.
So, 6 months or May next year?
No, man, that's more than 6 months, man.
Oh.
1 year. Jamaican Farmers.
Oh, yes, it's true. December, KASHA.
Yeah, man.
KASHA, December. So,
Yeah,
but wait, KASHA. No, KASHA, aya. You have yam, man.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
So, what them big so? Oh, the yam man, them big so, KASHA.
Right there, they're too small.
Yo, KASHA, yo, the people are going to love you over there. Yeah, KASHA. Jesus Christ, come in the people.
Yeah, man.
Come in the people, them backyard, trust me. Yo.
Yeah, man.
Yo, KASHA, you the go on, you know?
Yeah, man, them back your plant in January, you know?
Oh, so a 10-month crop. Yam.
Yeah, 1 year crop, man.
Yeah. Oh, 1 year crop.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I understand.
The drought did have way in before May and March, then we have a drought earlier this year, so.
Okay.
Then just come up and now, because we get some rain in May.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, that's why you see place green up.
Green up, yeah, me understand.
That's if you want to go to control, me not find time to weed.
God, you're there. Look at that, my people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So we have sugar cane here, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we have sugar cane
Then
here.
I plant in January too.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So
Yeah.
the rain, we get that flourish them up, you know.
For real, man.
Real, man.
So
So you see them come nicely.
Yeah.
Real.
Yes, KASHA. You have to plant, because if you don't plant, you're not going to eat.
What's up?
See?
Yeah, man. Food
Yes,
is stuff for life.
Yeah, for real. So, like out here, so KASHA, you know, weed it down, man, lick it down and put in some gungo and some
Yes, man.
sugar bean.
This morning, me plan to do some weeding, man. I come to do some clean this morning.
Oh.
With time frame and things. So, I have my spray pan
Yeah.
over there.
Yeah.
Me have me bring. So, They plan to do some spraying and some weeding and weed out the corner and things. So.
And I mean, so when we come back for the part 2 now, we're going to see a lot of things all over here, so.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
I mean,
yes, man.
Kasha.
Yes,
I mean,
man.
Kasha, done that, Mr. Man.
Yes, man. I'll put in more things, man.
Yeah, man.
Because me have bean pantry, you know.
Yeah.
Them green up, you know.
Hold on, let me call look for bean this. I bean this, Kasha.
No, and
I bean this, Kasha.
Yes.
Sure.
TV, the man.
Alright, Kasha. Alright, Kasha.
The man, I say.
Alright, Kasha.
Green up, man. I grow up on them, man.
Yeah, you need to do some work on the
man.
farm, brother.
Yeah, man.
You need to do some work on the farm, brother. I farm, you know, man. No, say the high overseas, but you don't know. Pumpkin there too?
Yeah, man. Pumpkin I run, man.
How why you say pumpkin I run to, you know?
Yeah, man. Some of those.
Kasha the plant, man, but you know weed out the ground, brother.
Yeah.
I have all cocoa.
Yeah, man. Go for the water, man.
Yeah, Kasha.
Yeah, man.
Kasha weed out the ground, brother.
You know, them cocoa you have been planting in January too, so they're more than ready now. But me
Yeah.
give them some more time. Should we get the rain?
Nice cocoa, you know?
Give them some more time for, come up, you know.
Yeah, nice farmer cocoa. Yeah, yeah.
Plant plant back some pumpkin seeds, see them come up here nicely.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Some of see them over here, so yeah. Pumpkin,
Yes, my people, Kasha
Yeah.
plant pumpkin.
It's
Okra.
okra, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Them catch up nicely, man. I did me plant them, you know.
For real, Kasha.
I did me come do some work tonight and clean up that little part, yeah.
Yeah, I can see that this little
plant.
part here clean up
Yeah, man.
and plant too.
The pumpkin, you know.
Yeah,
Man, the planting go right out.
yeah. But I'm love to see your corn them. I can't stop video corn them, brother.
Yeah, man, can't even weed out and all.
Corn them and weed out, but you can't make them catch 5 months still.
Yeah.
Mm.
Man, weed them out. Man, you know,
After 5 months, you know, the corn can't eat again, you know.
yeah.
You have to plant them back.
Yeah.
So, you eat out this crop already?
yes,
you eat out this crop already, man?
You eat out the crop already, man. I can't see, man.
You say you're original, Kasha?
Eh?
You're original, man. So, you know, then when you broke out a corn, if you cut down the dry, the thing, you know. Yeah, man. You don't know about farming, Kasha?
Yeah, Irish.
Irish potato?
Yeah.
Wow.
No, Irish, Irish potato.
Yeah, no, why, you know.
Yeah, man.
Let me check this out with my people and tell me how my people.
Yeah, man, Irish,
Leave it
man.
in the description, then we could know how they're going.
Because, yeah, man,
In the
Irish.
description,
Ah, you can't see, no.
Sweet
Yeah, so-
potato. Irish potato.
Yeah, man, Irish, man. Irish, man. See them there? I mean, they plant them, man. But,
Yeah.
but as we say, it draw, it take quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it take quick, man. So, me have to use my spray pan and come water it to sting them.
Oh.
Evening to keep them.
Yeah.
So that's why you see Irish them dead out stuff.
Me understand. So Kasha, Sunday morning, you know, say me have one and a banana. Kasha, you can't make this go to waste, Kasha.
Yeah.
By tomorrow, I'm going to eat, you know.
Yeah.
My God, Kasha.
Me pick off for this already, you know, man.
Them
As
no
I can
see
see,
it, man.
yeah, man.
Them no see it,
Yeah,
man.
man, me call off for this already, man.
no see it, Kasha, man.
Follow, man.
You see Kasha, man,
Yeah,
on Sunday morning, man.
I'm in a plant, you know. I get the seed get to, you know.
Yeah.
When me a plant the Irish them, you know.
What do you mean you get to it?
It just drop,
You went
out.
tight and it come off of the rope.
Yeah.
Yes, Kasha, nice. A nice route, no? If you did have one more route to go on the road, you know, you could have go and market.
Yeah, man.
And guess what? You have some nice Spanish needle here.
Yeah.
You know how powerful this bush is?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright. You see, if you wake up in the morning, you kind of feel quaily. Yeah, man, you just draw up one little piece of this and make it quail and boil some nice tea and drink. Man, them girl have to check your back and say, yo, what you deal with? Yeah, man, a powerhouse. Yeah, ready.
Ready for your road.
What you mean, man? Corn.
Yes, man.
Kasha have corn, enough corn. Kasha have
Yeah,
you know?
man, meat can out of them already, man. What
You
you
wanna
got
see it,
man?
man?
Meat can off out of us, well, eat, man.
See it, man.
Give it up.
You
See it.
see it, Kasha. So yes, Kasha, so like when you oversee now, where oversee your base, you know? Because me here say most of the time, you know, they oversee.
Yes, man. Actually, I base mostly in Florida, you know.
What you mean, man? What you mean?
The sunny place, you know.
Sunny place. So you don't have no farm over Miami there?
Yes, man. We are farm, man. We never stop plant, man.
What you mean, man? Anywhere in the world you go, brother, you have to plant even
For real,
on
man.
rooftop.
Yes, man.
See in Kasha?
Yes, man.
What you
We are
mean?
farming, man.
Yeah, man, for real, man. All right, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know. It's all about Kasha. And we're upon the farm. See?
For real.
Farm not that big, but you have to plant. Because right now you can draw a root of cocoa and go, you know. And he have callaloo here.
Yes, man.
Go upon this, my people. You know,
Yes,
him
man.
have callaloo.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Right now, we are pick some up for this breakfast in the morning, you know.
Oh, you mean, Kasha?
I don't know.
You know, Then that me say, man.
Yeah, man, the canoe are fried up in the door so that the normal.
So Kasha, get to understand that you is an artist. Then give people, if you was them a little round up no on something. No?
Alright. Why so that a freestyle?
Yeah, let's give them a freestyle.
So tell the ghetto youth themself a plant, yeah. Tell themself a just plant, yeah. Tell themself a just farm, yeah. Cause when you put in the seed and the crop you have to get what you want to just plant, yeah. Just tell them say just plant, yeah. Tell them just go and go plant, yeah. Cause when you put in the seed and the thing you have to get what you want. Me have corn, me have sweet potato everywhere around, me have kaloo. Irish, you don't know something on a cloud. Me no play with the farming. I just saw me some. I just test me not gonna go around, so just gonna go plant. Yo, yeah.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, Kasha.
Righteous.
Yes, my people. So please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah. Yeah, man. So, my people, we're there with Kasha. Yes, my people.
Okra.
It's all about okra.
Looking fluffy and nice, you know?
Yeah, just want the color alone we put with it and we're good.
Good to go.
Yeah, man. Yes, my people.
Nicely, yeah?
We have more okra here.
Yes, man.
Yeah, more okra. We have bean.
Yeah. Yes, man. See, yeah, man. See them, man. I okra them.
You can't go across them. We don't want to find them. I have bean with people. Bean.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, for real.
And we have a weed them over there, you know?
You have weed too?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I tell you, if you social media, them afraid of weed. One of them afraid of weed. Yeah, we have to have medicine, you know. We have to have medicine. Jano.
Yeah, man.
Have medicine, even 2 root.
Yeah, man. I have 2 road.
That's true, man.
I see we have more bean on this, you know?
Yeah, you have bean pan tree over there, sir.
Yeah, man.
Oh, man, I tell you, Kasha. So you go in a Kasha, you have to plant, you know.
Real.
Yeah, man, you have to plant.
I see we have two banana. Two banana up yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So you soon see them a flourish.
Yes, Kasha. Have to plant. You know, if you don't plant, we not go eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Food I stuff alive.
For real. Alright, this is like what cut out and now let's give it the last tune of cut out pan it black.
Farmers
Alright.
Hut.
Ready,
Yeah,
we ready,
go on.
and a gone, we a plant pumpkin and we a
Them
plant
fi know.
some corn. Ready, we
Them
ready,
fi
and a
know.
gone, we a plant
Say,
sweet
Jesus
pepper, we a
is
plant
king.
pear yam.
The Lord
Ready,
he
we
come
ready,
from
ready,
within.
we ready, ready, ready,
Jesus
ready,
is
like
king.
ready.
Yeah. Are the Lord from within. Me say Jesus Christ is the man. We give salvation. So me no want. And we take him. We don't fool him no man. We don't see him. Just seek him. Heal the man. Cause him are the righteous. The son from God. We no play. When we heal him. Cause we are righteous man. Let's keep blazing. Alright, I know me. I feel stay strong. Me a Ras blender. Clear up the whole of the place, man. Just make them know Jesus are the man. So Jesus is king. Yeah. Seek from within.
What do you mean?
Up
Kasha.
top.
Alright, Kasha, you don't know it's all about. Alright, we are leave out of the farm now, Kasha, so.
For real, man.
Only for blessings.
More strength and more life.
How you mean, man, Kasha? You don't know. Alright, yes, my people, you don't know it's all about Kasha upon the farm. See? You don't know. See, there we are sweet potato and things. So please remember to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell to see the next video come out. If you don't hit it, you're not going to see it. Alright, here is Pierre. Pierre is
Yeah,
about
man,
to,
tier and tree, man.
to right.
Yes, man. Tier and tree, man.
Mm-hmm.
Tier and
Come on, Kasha, man. What you, Kasha, man? Yo, Kasha, I'm thinking more than the fear of them, Come on, Kasha, man. Kasha pick up more than the fear of them. Alright, people, you don't know what it's all about. Kasha, we're there for the farm. So, just look out for part 2, alright, my people? Yeah, bless up.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn.
Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.